Hi friends. So today we're going to do letters C and D. So if you want to get your cursive writing book, make sure that you have your pen. I'm going to draw some lines up here. And remember that I'm going to do the first line in capitals. I'm going to do the first line in lowercase. And then you'll go ahead and do one line by yourself, another line by yourself, and then you'll practice capital and lowercase. And after we do letters C and D, we'll have enough letters to be able to write some words. So for the letter C, we're going to start up at the top, just below that top line. And we're going to loop up to the top line, curve around to the bottom line, and back up. It looks just like our regular letter C, except it's a little bit more slanty. So again, I'm going to start up right underneath the top line, loop up to the top, back down to the bottom, and you can go right back up, right to that dotted line. Right under the dot of the solid line at the top, loop up, back down around to the bottom, back up, and up to the dotted line. And one more time. Right below the line, up, loop around, back down to the bottom, and back up. So you'll do the next line by yourself. And you can go back, you can stop it now and do it. Press pause and then go back and do the rest, or you could wait till the end of the video and go back and practice it. Now we'll do our lowercase c. So lowercase c starts on the bottom line. We make a slanted line up. We curve around to the dotted line. We don't pick up our pencil. We go back, we trace over, back down to the bottom, and up. So it looks just like a print C, except it starts on the bottom down here. So we start on the bottom, we make the slanty line up to the dotted, curve around, back and trace it up to the top. Oop, I made a mistake there. I was making an A. Oop, I went too far. I was making an A like yesterday. Start at the bottom, loop up, back around to the bottom, and stop. Start at the bottom, loop up, back around, and stop. One more. Start at the bottom, go up, back around, and stop. And it does look just like the letter A. If we continued and then made our little tail, it would be like the letter A. Okay, so you'll do the rest by yourself, and now I'm going to teach you the letter D. Letter D, the capital letter D, is a little bit tricky here. I really need to get an eraser. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at what our capital letter D looks like. So our capital letter D starts on the top. It has a slanted diagonal line. It goes down here, and then it makes this little loop. Then we're going to go back up to the top, and we're going to make another loop in the opposite direction. Okay, watch me again. I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to make a diagonal line down so it's a little slanted. And then I make a little loop. I go back and curve it around and make another loop up at the top. Let's try one more time. Diagonal line down, little loop, back around, and another loop. Okay, so you can try the next line. And then we'll do a line of lowercase d's. And our lowercase d's, just like our capital D's, they look very similar. The only difference is they have these little curves, some diagonals, little loops. Now watch what we do the letter D, because it kind of looks a little bit like an A. We make it in the same way. So we start on the bottom,